going to share with you the supplies I'm going to use from Dollar Tree. All of these items are from Dollar Tree. Now, I don't know if I'm going to use all of them, but here are some of the items that I think I'm going to use. These ornament snowflakes, these gift tags, these decorative bells. Again, here is another project that I'm using these cards from Dollar Tree. And these are just good old gift bags that I'm going to alter. And these come 3 in each set, as you can see. They are not the best quality, but I mean, it's okay. We're going to alter them and try and make them as pretty as possible. So I've decided that I'm going to use one of each color of the bags and one of each of the cards. And I think this is how I'm going to pair them. So this card with the white bag, this sweet cookies with this craft color bag, and then the snowman with the red bag. So because these are cards, you can either seal them up, you can adhere the bottom and the side and maybe leave this as a pocket and then adhere this onto here. And if you want to add a little extra, maybe like a gift card in there or whatever you like. But what I'm going to do for this is I'm going to cut it right down the middle. So I've already cut them, as you can see, and here is the other half. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to adhere each card front onto the front of this bag, and then in the back, which you don't have to, but I'm just going to add this to the bag. It's not going to be plain, but also it'll have like a nice sentiment in the back. So I'm going to speed this. Paper bags. You can see I've already added the card front, and in the back I added what was supposed to be the sentiment from the inside of the card. So I did that to each one. I'm going to keep them fairly simple. Pretty much this is all I'm going to do, you guys. The only thing I'm going to add, I think I'm going to add some of these bells just to hang it along with one of the tags, and maybe add a snowflake, and that's about it. So what I'm going to do with these bells is, because they are all connected, so I'm going to cut them in pairs. I'm going to have 2 per bag, just like this. And as you can see, it was that easy to alter these bags using cards from Dollar Tree. I didn't end up using the snowflake, but you know, I think it looks okay just as is. But if you can, I mean, you can hot glue one there. This one can go there. And maybe this one to the middle of that wreath. So now that I've completed these bags, now I have a bag to insert all of the other little gifts that I've been making in this series. So this was day 1, day 2, and this was day 3. I can go inside a bag. Thanks for watching, everyone. Don't forget to comment down below and continue watching the rest of the series. Bye.